The fully automatic beverage production line equipment can press various fruits to obtain fresh fruit juice beverages. Common ones include apples, oranges, strawberries, lemons, watermelons, mangoes, bananas, grapes, lychees, pineapple, papayas, kiwis, pears, passion fruits, blueberries, honeymelons, peaches, cucumbers, tomatoes, etc. These fruits can be juiced alone, mixed and matched, or combined with tea, dairy products, sparkling water, etc. to create a variety of flavorful beverages. Raw material processing system remove impurities such as soil and pesticide residues on the surface of fruits. Break the fruits into small pieces for easier juicing later. Extract the juice using a belt juicer or an airbag juicer. Blending system mix fruit juice with sugar, acid, stabilizers and other auxiliary materials in accordance with the formula ratio to adjust the taste and nutritional components. Sterilization system instantaneous sterilization at 135到150度, maintaining the nutrition and flavor of the juice. Pasteurization machines are suitable for low temperature sterilization to maintain the natural characteristics of fruit juice.